Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 one-air twin edition camera, and I'm going to show you how we can fix the problem with the Wi-Fi connection through the application. So when we are in the app, we have to go for the settings, and then we got here the forced connection option. So we have to click on it, and right now we have to tap on the switcher, and here you got the preview that the forced connect mode could fix the problem that some phones cannot connect to the camera via Wi-Fi before, but in some cases it will affect the use of the community uploading and other functions. So I hope that it's going to help in your case. If I help you, leave likes, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!